Okay, lesson 2 for maths is interpreting bar charts. You don't have to do this, but if you want to go for a challenge, this would be fantastic. It's a really good practice for you guys in using data. Interpret and present data using bar charts. Here we go. So here is a bar chart for class A. It's a made-up class. For their favourite colour. They represented the data in a bar chart. The first question is, which colour is the least popular? Have a think and shout out, please. It's green. How many children chose yellow as their favourite? Now yellow is funny. Yellow goes in between 8 and 10. It's not 8, not 10. What number is halfway in between? It's 9. How many more children chose red than blue? Harder questions, my friends. Well, first of all, we can see that red is more than blue. So how much more? Well, we've got 8 children liking red, and halfway between 6 and 8 is blue. So I think that's going to be 7. So how many more children? How much more is 8 than 7? I think it's 1 more. Should we see what the PowerPoint says? Yay! How many children chose yellow and pink all together? Well, yellow was in between 8 and 10, so that's 9, and pink was 6. What's 9 plus 6? 15? Yeah! And what would be a good title for the bar chart? You know I love a good title. Favourite colours of Class A. I personally prefer a bar chart to show the favourite colours of Class A, but that one there also works. Here's another one for you. It's everyone's favourite activity they like doing in a playground. Dancing, football, running and singing. A bar chart would be great for this one. But here's the thing. You can go up in ones on the side if you want to, but you're going on ones up to 35. Golly gosh, that's a lot of ones, a lot of intervals. I would go up in slightly more. Which one? 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 10s? The PowerPoint says 5s, and I'm inclined to agree with it because all of these numbers are in the 5 times tables, but also if you're going up in 5s, you only have to go up 7 times to get to 35. Okay, so the children in Class B have been finding out what pets each child owns. Fred drew his bar chart, Anna drew her bar chart with the exact same information. So the question is, what's the same, what's different? Same colours, same numbers. What's different is, did you guess it? It's the scale. I think Anna very cleverly went up in 2s, whereas Fred went up in 1s, and it gets a bit messy for Fred. I think 2s is better, so well done, Anna. Each bar chart represents the same data, but they use a different scale on the left-hand side. I prefer Anna's. Cool, here we go, one more. This bar chart shows where the children from years 3 and 4 went on their summer holidays. So some went to the United States, some went to the UK, some went to France, some went to Spain. Hey guys, summer holidays? Feels like a lifetime ago. 50 children had their summer holiday in the UK, true or false? 50 children had their holiday in the UK, true or false? It's true. Reading the scale on the axis shows that 50 children had holidays in the UK. Does the bar chart tell us how many children went to Wales? Convince me. Some people would say yes, because Wales is in the UK. But actually there's more countries than just Wales in the UK, so the actual answer is no. The chart doesn't show us who holidayed in the UK. It does show us UK, but not just Wales, for example. What's the difference between the number of children who went to France and the United States? So France was 40, United States was 20, and what's the difference between 40 and 20? Do 40 take away 20? Shout out please. Answer is 20. How many children are there in years 3 and 4 together? Golly gosh, how do we get this? All together? Wait a minute, I have to add them up. 20 plus 50 is 70. Plus 40 is 110. Plus 30 is 140. Yeah! There are 140 children in years 3 and 4. Beautiful. Now there are some activities for you to have a go with. Can I find them? I really hope I can whilst holding the camera. What do we got here? Interpreting data. Hot and spicy is to look at these graphs here. And there are some questions. There's favourite fruit and some questions, favourite colour and some questions, favourite class pets and some questions, and the answers, oh no, look, are right at the bottom. So can you please mark yours afterwards? If you're doing hot and spicy, you can do all 3 graphs if you want to, or just one of them, but please have a mark of your answers. Mega hot, what I'm looking at, mega hot, interpreting bar charts. This one's trickier, my friends. Favourite sports. Look at the lines and look at the numbers really carefully. Read the questions and good luck. How many children liked rugby and cricket the best? So you have to add rugby and cricket together. That's hard. And the last one is, are you nuts? Do me a favour. I put this in there because I thought, you know what, some people might be hungry for a challenge. We've got some really big numbers here. It's about what sport children liked the most. But I won't lie to you, you've got some big numbers, and you have to use the lines really, really carefully to work out what numbers are being chosen. For example, here for football, it's 55, it's 60. There's 2 little lines. There's 2 more than 55. 57 people liked football. That is tricky. So be really, really careful. Only choose Are You Nuts if you are super confident and want to challenge. All of the answers for the hot and spicy mega hot Are You Nuts are on the website. Please give them a mark before you send me them. If you want a hand, if you are really, really stuck, or if there's an issue with the work, if I made a mistake, which is very, very like me, just email me on the Year 3 email. Good luck, and let me know if I can help at all. Thanks, guys.